cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, your girl Briana Marie, your favorite girl, okay? Period. So today's sponsor video is going to be featuring Gorgius here. And today, you don't want to miss this because this is very interesting. I've been looking for something like this for the longest, and I could never find nothing like this. Either you have to do your hair in, this is a protective style, but like crochets, with these type of curls or like dreads or something like that. But this is the easiest way, less than 10 minutes to do, and I guarantee you this wig will be beneficial to your life, okay? Because it's beneficial to mine, and I swear, y'all's gonna get tired of me in my vlogs. If my hair is not done and I throw this wig on, y'all gonna be like, girl, how many times you gonna put that wig on? As many times as I want, because I found me a wig, okay? I found me a protective style wig. Anyways, I'm doing too much. Anyways, I want y'all to get into this tutorial. So if y'all want to see this wig and what it's about, keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, girl Briana Marie, and today we're gonna get into Gorgius here. I want to show y'all exactly what's in this box. So yeah, this is the box. It's holographic, and we're about to get right into it. Inside the box, they give a wig cap, a comb, and also a brush to do the baby hairs. This is the bag that the wig comes in, y'all, and when y'all see this wig, y'all gonna think like, oh, it looks like Soul Glow or this wig that it's not gonna look right, but trust me, it's gonna look right. So this is a wig, y'all, and this is how it looks. It's a cap on the inside, and it's like a whole 360 wig, but y'all are going to see because I want to get right into it, so keep on watching. So we have a interesting tutorial today, hair tutorial. If y'all just seen, that's the wig that I have to put on. We're gonna do our makeup first, but I definitely have to put my wig cap on. This is the wig cap that they sent. I'm gonna spray it down. I usually don't like it like this, but just something to hold down, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm just gonna take my ears from back here, and yeah, we're gonna get started. Easy peasy. 5 seconds. You could literally just throw it on. You can literally throw it on your head. You don't even have to do this part. I just do this part because I just want my hair not to be in the way. So I am excited. To try this wig, y'all. I've been wanting to put this on ever since I got it in the mail. This is Gorgius hair, and as y'all seen in the intro how the wig looked, it's not a lace front, it's not a closure, it's not a headband wig. It is a wig that you can put on in 5 seconds. I'm telling you. I had to do me a whole beat for this wig because I just know, I feel in my heart it's gonna be cute. So y'all, this is a super double drawn wig. It's 180% density, and this look is supposed to be a 70 vibe wig. If you are protecting your hair, y'all, and you want your hair to grow, you can definitely use this wig and like put braids under it, keep oil under the braids when you put this wig. Definitely will grow your hair. And let me show y'all, let's get into the wig. Let me show you how it looks. The curls are the same length all the way around. Curls are the same length all the way around. Like this is, oh, I just feel like it's gonna be cute. Y'all see? You can leave the curls as is, or you can definitely comb them out, but the same length all the way around. And let me close this up. Definitely come. Okay, I like it. And this is like real human hair, y'all. So if y'all want to like curl it or give it a different style, y'all definitely could. I'm just playing with it. That's what you gotta do. Oh, this is cute. It's like poured it back some instead of cutting it. Pull it back. And I wonder what like curls they use to put in here. Like they use rods. This is like ideal. This is something that I need, y'all, and I swear I've been looking for a wig like this for the longest, okay? Alright, y'all. So y'all can barely see my face, but it's okay. I love this wig. Definitely a good idea for protective styles. Just a wig to put on, like, oh my god, I don't have nothing to put on my head. I need something to put on my head. Something cute, a cute outfit. Definitely a go-to wig that I will purchase. I like it. You can put headbands on it if you want to. It's just certain ways that you can style this wig. So many styles. Play with this however you want to. It's all up to you on how you play with it. You can trim it. You can do whatever you need to make it fit your desired style. And then the lip. Ooh. I will water this. You can water this hair to make it like really wet looking, but I love the bushy look. I don't want to wet it, so I'm telling you, you can wet it. Like, oh my god, this is gonna be my everyday wig, y'all. I'm putting this wig on. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this tutorial. This is a quick, easy way to achieve a outgoing look. If you don't have any hair ideas, less than 10 minutes to do. Any style that you want, you could, I think you could even put it. I wouldn't even do that, girl. But it's less than 10 minutes to style, y'all. Put it on, comb it out with a comb or your fingers. Fingers, I would love. Fingers are best to comb it out. You just gotta put your fingers together. Oh, this is so cute. I just can't get over it. Like, it is so cute. Don't forget to go check out Gorgius in the description right below. Tell them that I sent you if you purchase this wig. And until then, I will see you all on my next tutorial.